Hello, welcome to my channel where I bake, make mistakes, and learn for a better version of myself. So I am making chiffon cupcake with boiled icing. So to start with, I separate 3 eggs, and with the egg yolk mixture, I added, that is so sweet, so smiley. Anyway, I added 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and just break the yolk and start stirring. And then I added 1/4 cup of water. And with this one, I have 100 grams of cake flour. I think I had half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. And then I just mix that together to get this consistency. And then I go ahead with my egg whites. I just beat that with hand mixer. And then slowly adding my 1/4 cup sugar, 1/3 at a time. Wait till you get to the ribbon stage where it's not too thick and not too runny. As you can see, I'm scooping probably 1/3 of the egg white mixture and mix it with the yolk mixture, and then I like using my whisk. So with this one, you just have to mix it really slow because we don't want all bubbles to disappear because it'll deflate our chiffon. So we have to be really careful in how to mix our mixture. And now I am preparing my cupcakes. I have 12 cupcake liner. And I'm using this ice cream scoop and filling up the liner with 2/3. And here it is, it's all baked. I baked that for 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So it still depends on your oven, because my oven is quite old. Now I am resting it upside down and starting with my boiled icing. So with my 250 grams of caster sugar, I added 50 ml of water and then just mix that through before turning on the heat. While that is heating up, I start with my egg whites. Just start with medium speed. Check my sugar, check the temperature. It should go up to 120 degrees Celsius, but as you can see here, it went up to 125. I turn off the heat and mix the citric acid. You can use cream of tartar or lemon juice, but I noticed that it crystallized my sugar syrup, so I wasn't happy with that. I turned the stove on just a very low heat and start stirring it until I'm happy with the consistency. And as you can see, I'm checking the temperature again, and it actually reached to 127 degrees. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I use it anyway for my egg whites. And beat that in a high speed. And if you can see that your icing is in this consistency, then it's ready to use. And here is my chiffon cupcake. It turned out really good. And look at that piping consistency. can leave it as is, but I sprinkle gold pearls and red dust. And here it is. Thank you for watching.